Hi, friend. You know that quiet voice inside of you? That gentle whisper that says, you are enough, you are so loved? Well, that's not your mind talking. That is your true self. That is love speaking directly to you. We spend so much time seeking approval, trying to fix what we think is broken, chasing things, thinking they'll make us whole. But here's the beautiful truth. You were never broken. You're actually not a vessel that needs to be filled. You are the ocean pretending to be a wave for a little while. Peace is not somewhere out there. It's not in the next achievement, the next thing you buy, or the next person who comes into your life. Peace is what you are, right here, right now. Beneath all the noise, all the worry, all the stories, breathe into that today. Let yourself rest in who you really are. You know, you are infinite. You are sacred. You are love. Until next time, be kind to yourself.